come my way. Oh yeah.
Rachel. Rachel. Rachel.
Why are you shouting out my name? Talk, I'm listening.
Let me tell you something. Before you came to this school, your dad put you in my hands. He said I should make sure that you don't do anything out of the ordinary. What am I hearing that you are now together with Opoku again?
And what's your problem about that?
What's my problem about that thing?
Didn't we dated before? So why are you complaining about Opoku's own?
Your dad didn't bring you to the school to get together with Opoku.
And he didn't bring me together to date you too.
That shouldn't be your problem. I mean, what I'm telling you now is that leave Opoku. You have to leave Opoku immediately. You shouldn't even. Why are you even with him? You should be focusing on your studies right now. Seer, if you continue to date Opoku, I have no other choice but to go and tell your dad.
And I'll tell my dad too. We dated too. You were the first person who tested me high in your lab test. I'm having them all, so I'll show it to my dad too. Try.
I mean, I don't care. Go and tell why.
Yeah, I care.
Go.
I'll show your message, all of your message to him.
Oh,
to him.
You there, relax. See, look, it's not that I'm trying to be harsh on you or anything, but I still have feelings for you. And that's why I want you to leave Opoku. You come back to me.
Take your feelings.
Rachel.
Don't Rachel me.
Opoku isn't the one for you.
Are you the one for me?
Yes.
With your pregnant wife.
Oh, you should put that aside. Like I said already, it was a mistake. It was a fluke. You are the one I want.
And you're not the one I want. I want Opoku. I don't want you with your pregnant wife. Go and help her to give birth early. Yeah, that's safe traveling. That's nice. I don't want
Rachel, I swear I'll tell your dad. Me, I will tell your dad. You'll be in trouble, Rachel. You will see, Rachel.
What tell him? I'll also tell him.
Anyen aba school ha be foot down. A pediatric for footing school and cause problems or cause confusion with awu. Anyen ata awu Rachel anyen. Di ya ma won we afiwa anyen nkoten. Ah. Shia.
Wa be say me mood kra ne netiko. Food can come mumuna.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way.
That's what I'm saying. I think you should focus on your education. Right now that my J is saying that he doesn't want to take care of you anymore because of Aroma. What are you going to do?
I'm even confused right now because some now what do you mean you went Brother James was to say or the woman
how is Brother James going to help you? What does he have?
Well, promise him so. So no can.
How? You yourself, how do you think he's going to help you? Where is he going to get the money from?
Brother James is having money.
He doesn't have any money. He doesn't have any money. Haven't you seen his shoes? His clothes? Can't you tell from how he dresses that he doesn't have anything?
So are you judging Pastor James because of the way he dresses?
Oh, we know him. I know him. I know he doesn't have anything. I'll advise you to just take your time. Talk with Brother James. Let him know that you want to complete. After school, after my J has taken care of you, then you date Aroma after school. That makes so much sense. Just listen to me. Leave the guy aside and then focus on your education. Like, learn hard. I know you are smart. When you learn, you understand. Just focus on your education. After school, you just go and date whoever you want to date.
I can't leave Aroma too. I'm in love with him.
So you choose Aroma over your education?
Cause me right, you know. Me, yeah, yeah, cause Mike said, "On to Yamishibi." So,
don't say that. Don't just give up easy like that. I think you're a smart girl.
Huh?
I think you are smart. You are very, very smart. You are very, very smart. Please, just think about this, okay? talk to my James, talk to brother James. Know how you're going to settle both. Tell Aroma that you want to do it after school. You're going to complete very soon. Can't you just wait till then?
I got 2 years, so I can't.
You can.
I can't.
Oh, just listen to me, okay? Please. You just think about it. Think about it, please.
No, Preno. Don't fall it down. Yeah, so won't fall it down. Tina say, "Oh, can't fall it down."
I really respect you. I think you are wise. Don't make me change my decision. You are wise. You are wise. You are wise, Ama. Say you are wise.
I'm wise.
So don't be saying stupid things like that. Yes, what you're saying is very stupid. What do you mean by I've never fallen in love? So because of love, you are going to leave school. You know Aroma will still be in the school, right, when you leave.
No, only me didn't come out and try say.
Oh, I'm your friend.
Yeah, I
I
know,
have
but
to put things right.
No. Who advise me? But in fact, if you tell me one na question mark ni ba me, so makuma be ba sure na.
Know that Aroma will still be in the school when you leave. Just think about it. Think about it.
My, Ubayana my Pabonini. Ubayana my Pabonini.
And can't you shame you call me just my? You can't call me say my. Can't you shame?
And common Iddi, yes, say near Dean Commono, Comma Iddi, auntie, I say, Juman, and young Commo in your deal. Bayana, my Yana, I can't say me any Pabonini girl on yet. When Pabonini, so come a coy in Temanti, I say, Jumana, as a woo boom, as some person or them ran away, Juma. Bayana, Fede, and my baby, na Fede, I can't say, you know, we need to buy no, I say, you see.
But catch also may be too quiet. And I come to him to a man, Coqua. What's it they make catch room? And I'm a coy, crown, I'm a coy, minty, mint, customers and do got a full of fool or no new commander. Every time I'm a coy, you know, means send it from full as come and farmer.
Oma fanful eska.
Assemble na wokan.
My fanful as woman iska.
Fanful no se me man iska.
Oso woman iska.
Ni din ebe di na ti sa ko ti be bi obekobi asa boy no ni din ebe di na ti sa. Me if you say me ko ye nyina. Bisa big dance na me dance ni. E ko na me send this car the man.
My o send this car.
Ade. Eti on send this bibi ama.
O ma miss call, my me dunya me 3 months e come di me school, my come to me do me sana me hu de me nya me ho.
Me hu ni pa kokwa o ye comfort azant se sa boy ni da.
E come to me di me sana me sana o si minis. My Gary Sockins na me nom. Gary Sockins banku abete ebu e na kra na so.
Asanto ameba. From full and sending ska.
On ma miska bia, bisa na o se woman iska bia nti en twen wo ba.
Mra amone metina se amone metite. And I'm just kind of fan so because I'm send the money. Why don't you tell me say you know send the money? How? Like how?
Hey.
Boy.
Only boys na if you almost more quiet.
It says can I send the money or the fine?
Hey, how many times are sending this car?
Because me travel 2 weeks after 3 weeks.
My boy, sir.
Me travel 2 weeks after 3 weeks.
4 months grab it back.
Now 4 months, no more na mo can 4 months, na no 4 months e blofo. It will be cast na watch me ensa, e be shame ye na aboso me ensa.
Enye sa enti sa bia.
Na it say.
Na watch ye week. And a month ye
one. Would you me hwe no? Na kwan be bia wo this kind of fan. Me ma ne de aba. Mra mo no metina se ayi kan. Impese me bu me mra so.
Me minim se bia wo na wo bu mra so nka me de me be ma apeja wo.
Ka be ma de na apeja.
Ka be ma na apeja wo.
Hey. Na unyama ukata ta. Ada na kasa ye udesa. Pampula na de nti on from or this kana man na wo yes ade
na. Na me donya me ka me hawo. Nka me ba be hawo. Ka me ba be bisa. Nka me mba ho no. Say ya na ya tena se na nti asa ye adwuma nti nka me mba ho no. But on from mama.
Agreement is agreement. How betray argument? How betray argument? If you betray argument, then you're going to jail.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Me am embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Me don't am upon life you we wicked.
But what have I done?
You're very wicked. Vaughn.
Why are you here accusing me and telling me that I'm wicked? What have I done?
So you've been taking money from my aid. We just got free my aid, honum. No one about the catch me say, my mouse kabia. Ne come dim was school have on. Hey!
Oh no, but you see, I take money from him, yes. I won't deny it. I've been taking money. But the money he sends, it's small. So I just use it to, care for myself. I have to also take care of my own well-being.
Sikabe no send you small.
Uma
me mauska. No one said my idea the account. No one about the catch me say, you don't have money. No one could tell ba. Banku, abetie. Now they are mammy the all. Miss Donyame. Born. Miss Donyame and the baby scan will be able to yama.
Me, I don't have. Hey,
you don't have money for where?
Hey, please.
I
don't have money. No. Hey, please.
You don't have money.
Leave me.
You give me money today.
Mesro, in the jam. I'm Miss Kepia woman.
Che. I was saying me do be dia go. I was me do be dia go. Me Donyame baby escape be abi yama me 3 months.
Hello, headmaster. Oh.
3 months. Oh my miska. And one may come with me school mo ha. Me do phone me do ko PZ.
What about coin?
Me do ko PZ. Meton.
Hey, I don't have money.
You don't have money for what?
Give me my phone and let me go. Give me my phone and let me go. Asantua, give me my phone and let me go.
You think I'm joking with you, right?
I don't have money.
You don't have money. You get money. I swear you find money. You give me money today.
Hey.
The senior come miska cast me do be dia go. 3 months na me in school and I accommodate me. Oba no be mama excuse. Let me to me do a cheat. No, he said, oh, fanfully me. Oh, and then me fanfulu. But no quiz come.
I don't have money.
You don't have money.
Stop standing here and stop threatening me, please.
It's either you give me money or I sell your phone. Choose.
Will you calm down? Will you give it to me and then let me send it?
I will not give it to you.
I'm sending it from my phone.
No.
Oh, it is on the will they give it to me and let me send it.
Don't touch it.
Face ID as a mama.
Hey.
Oh, Asantua, give me my
phone. Hey. You will lock maybe. I transfer the money myself. Because me John.
Asantua, you the come. Will you give it to me and let me do it? When I'm done, I'll give you the phone. Oh, when I'm done, I'll give you the phone. Oh, you they give it to me.
Never phone in
Kwana. Oh, Asantua, trust me. Asantua.
I say,
give me the phone.
I will not give you the phone.
Oh, let me just.
What's your pin?
Please, me, it's a secret.
It's a secret, oh.
Hey!
Hey, no.
Hey. Iddi, why not you know the cover home? Hey, between the what say separating vital abadin, them don't pin what is okay. Hey, no. Let me go. Where's your papa? How? Asantua. What? Okay, one said it was shorty. One said we jam our pretty wow, swat you. What's wrong with you? How would you imagine that it's a woo? O best kumu kama kwa because we want to kai guntu be guntu. Seer, and going to be no be guntu. Akasi anonkwa. Just only Seer. What did Sama Jimmy for we yet to day? Which Aroma was such a much as Aroma such like a man one. Me who Peter or borrowed that to sing the minister was for others. The DNA person only Aroma. Huh?
Aroma soon penny.
When what's one problem? And a wee journal. Oh, Bama was one poor bar, Wamana will force one. Who will be that? Some Bama was one poor bar.
Ubepe. What you say? Tatano.
What you trying to crown or pammy?
Petuchino. What did you give? What are they? Papa tale no. Ofe. Fefe. Who did you cheat? Petuchi. Would you tell us I know no more day?
Come
to shame, you stressed your head, mixed and engage and come to shame.
Some targeting a panama could see some who was tell. Me banner my pam.
Target. Now, Brunicas were the two targetoa. Who were then uncle? Be a sniper. Huh? Be a sniper. Who am I day? Who got it? Oh, yeah, who bonnet.
I'm a bonnet, so that.
Oh, grapple. Huh? Oh, grapple. Still grapple. And you lose. And you need carrying on money close mark. In Yano. Boy, no, never wow. In J. Aroma, maybe watching film at J. So, wow. What's it? You want to see my J, so Seer.
Say, my J is a whole long story. My J is not giving me space.
When am I space?
Say he doesn't want to give me
space. Why have no space to space? Now forget, and now a minister of space.
Say he's got his eyes on me 24/7.
Shut the fuck up here. I gave you experience, then still you never take my experience. What's up with you, Seer? What's up with you, Seer? Huh? My Jane, why? When are you bar? When are you bar? Catch a name, Massa. Proven child. You're the clown. My Jane, why?
Hey, sir.
Huh? My Jane will need dying.
You beat me.
What? Come up, Bunimikuno. Stay away from my Jane and go away to
Sir, one more thing. If I leave my jail, I'll not get food.
If what?
If I leave my jail, I'll not get food.
Huh? Papa me amema Aroma tisi scared banon. If a moakra me ameboa Jama G no onu nya tutubutu no okoyenyeska. Nyepon no kuchinchin woni okonyeska wa hen. You waringa adena ma to mu pe warisa. Waringa. Che one day jikinche comes in now ba ku so nshi. God be me je amaji. Dua we e dia pa amaji ni ada wokurentina na. Huh? Oboma healing like it when only healing. Now maybe what best school class and food healing. Listen, hey, don't worry about it. I must say you.
I'll try. It's not.
Don't try what you try. Just don't say me. Say I will try.
It's not going to be easy.
It's easy. Why you? It's easy. Why not easy? Tell me.
It's going to be so tough. It's going to be hard.
It will be what? What hard? What hard?
So it's not going to be easy for me to live in.
The
last time I told him I can't continue with this relationship. What this guy did, so you won't believe it.
What when you say goodbye,
oh, na me bisa so ne bra issue na akosi sen. Wo bisa me se me ne me bra issue na akosi sen. Ayem bia de wo ye eya na abusua panyi.
Ana asem bia me bisa
wo ye abusua panyi. Ah? Eh se sen. Wo wunti hwe. Hey ba wo mami wo pa wo.
Na me maye odo say tins ne me so maye.
Na do ye hwan? Wo mami wo a me twam wasa stop me nyanka me konka ma me nko. Wakwa ko di konkonsa wo wunti hwe mawieye.
Me di konkonsa atwe wan.
Hey, wo say twantro?
Na say de
wo say twantro?
Na wo say na osuban tie.
Ade woni me. Nanti nkomo ka se me nya ne mic na nka de bentia. Hwe,
me masa de o ye no ya ma ka headmaster o.
Headmaster no misro no. Hey, misro na kwakan.
Wo say mu ade o.
Kwana kwaka.
Isa we ni so e she.
Enya mo masa me yedu on ma mesa so yi ase na sa agusu woni me on.
Obeyi egu me.
Mesa so ye pretenders woni ma me ka cho. Me du on ma me, woni me. Mesa so yi ase na sa agusu wo akodi me mo konkonsa. Wo. Say Benis school ma say ayo Benis na wonnam na wan mama beti so na Benis and to wo gina me na odwen say me dey respect e ba be ma wana. Ni me nua boy no. Be an only subino, be times 5.
Intia, some it is all more than
Jawasem. What could the mema casama to what could the meme who conconsa? Ah? I don't think I said, Nammy Boadi, me body and can punish you, what punishing me.
Just a mecano waka.
What's a day?
Mecano waka.
Remy, when you make punish me, CCA. Punish me,
there be there. Why?
I guess it's I don't
say there be a trasso.
Punish me,
trasso.
Oh, punish me.
What's a woman, dear? Me we are catch headmaster.
Oh, catch headmaster say. Now, me pretend a crown pussing me.
Johnson on it.
Madam, Timmins are bear me day. Mr. Timmins are bear me day.
Call him one
day. Wogum. Some me no one say, bear me to say, hey, or be anyhow. Yeah, me must have shoe. What are you going? Bra. Oh, going. What kind? Would you ever think? When I walk on. What's it? Quite. I yell Bennett Sana, too much in a confrontation with you. Hey, me crama me. Hey, Bennett. No. Bennett.
Aroma. Me frɛ wo begina ha nya bɔne Aroma. Ewiase yɛse baabi ade ne da no so wan fan to wa efiri tɔ eto fall down. Ɛne sɛ Aroma. My J nam school mu awo twempena ne amanfo nuaba anom te but obi anya ne hwe. Won kro kofa ne nuaba twempena waba so. Aroma enye say na otie o. Eye bibi e na amana ba sei. Aroma ma men ka kyerɛw fanati for mo. Fanati for minimum. Aroma call that them. Time I bought him na amanfo tetetɔ. Time I twi bibi na de wo bi. Aroma minimum wani eden. Osa si uda de ma my J o ya kete ma. Minimum Aroma. Minimum. And again me who say odon. You have to fight for your love. Aroma, stand as a man. Jai so for sem for Bible to nten odini ane ne ntoto. Ama wo behwe din yama na my Jesus nti wade papa be hero. Ha?
Owi.
E wani.
Owi.
Nti kra
Bisa nyoma do for me so.
Maide, bisa nyoma do for me so.
Jimmy na me ba radio talk.
That's what you're doing, bro.
Na me musa nyoma.
Now if you're not a journalist, I don't know who you are, Opoku. So you called me here just to tell me this. Said I mean obi nkoku.
And never I'm nku. Osa say boy ni petu over. Oh, and I'm say woni ni aba twempren. Just opeso o na obi
Opoku. So you've not changed, Opoku. You're about Form 1. Form 2, you say you're quite final year. Opoku still this behavior. Why?
How?
You don't take your study serious, Opoku. All you know is to gossip. At the chance when you sorry say team, Opoku, you know, you have to gossip. Why, brother?
Tell me today na ko pon de ma.
No, Opoku, this is not you. This is not you, Opoku. Because mama fason fanya futu ma Opoku. Kon consent obi ani abo. Because of gossip, somebody is in the prison. Somebody is at the hospital, Opoku. So imagine you talk about somebody and the person come to you with rage, you know, why would that end you? Where will it end you, bro?
Oh, obi consent obi ntimi fa sika me obi so.
Who said?
David tie. Se tirenti bia.
Tirenti ya echeswa.
Enya echeswa.
Uri ga nka se echeswa.
I'm talking about tirenti ya enya echeswa bla. So far as ensem ko school ma nkwa de. Bitimi nya consent di. Aroma hwe. Yaka to obi e fanboy abra we e fanboy. Wani ate. Ena wani so den.
You know, I've studied something, you know, bro. I've realized something about you, Opoku. The only reason why Unyan give it up with this attitude, they say, was skin, you know, he doesn't keep marks.
Keep marks,
like was skin, no, and containing marks. Say, Obi a prayer now when your mark be. You know, to send a menu way. Exactly. Because the Opoku Senka wouldn't just have the manner what prayer. Exactly. Anytime you will see it, you will realize that you don't have to talk about somebody again. That's the reason why you keep going, because you don't get anything to discourage you from doing that.
Mark na sister wana.
Mark wo wani ma see me not too long ago na ade bitaro hanom.
Tell them the dufu back and
can boy ya how you play Opoku. Come on Opoku, please change.
Huh? David Kaka want yana.
Chai,
the 20 ya over there jai cheswa.
Well, my two for us won't see us here Opoku.
Hey,
are you mad? Stupid guy.
Sure.
You think I'm joking, eh? Are you mad?
You say we are so full and rofi.
Me pen ko sesem one frame makatcho of top sana da no bo ma hanom. Right.
Mama can't talk. We are so full. One share to see our reaction.
Are you being serious? What can I say? Me see, I don't like that. I don't like that. Now, yet you are still talking about it. I am telling you, Opoku. If you are not ready to stop gossiping about people, Aroma, stay away from me.
Aroma, when you gossip, this is not about a gossip. Aroma, I'm telling you the gospel truth. And I will cry, we are aware. They are making we are aware. Huh? Fancy only gay it way. Fancy who the fancy only gay it way. Now, no, my day now. On enough more watching Plabata. About one more dormitory. I bet you. Maybe I bet you will be an officer of both. I didn't hear what's the sound of the brother James. Exactly. Yeah, it's about time. Mistake here. I was all punching.
Thank you.
You did punching. Bonafuno man of frontier.
Thank you.
Aroma. Bonafuno man of frontier.
Thank you.
You bet money at the chance.
Oh, we are meet me.
Oh, papa.
Oh, we are meet me.
See them kind of results. Then
results in this Opoku. If you call me and talk this gibberish again, I will slap you. So I say, Muna wedding. I don't sign share. I mean, now sign Sabi my Opoku me proud. Because I've been warning you to stay away from me. And anything concerning me, please just stay away. Stay out.
Chupa, na kupafu. Ah? As you know, because there are 2 seconds we are now bofu. Obi akoko be on our person o kanya miatem.
Uni Moses.
Aha.
Now we say na yesi no koko be.
Moses. Yeah, Moses be na no koko be.
Now we say Moses. One kind Bible. You know, you've not read the Bible, so
you don't know what Bible is. Moses koko be na ko betimaya apamadaka. Aka Moses betimaya ama entati abe ru apamadaka mama nsu ayiri.
Moses na ya apamadaka.
Say Moses. Hey,
Moses na ya apamadaka.
Na ya apamadaka. Hey, Moses na densumune no.
It's lost.
Moses na densumune no. Nentika Moses
na densumune no.
Na Moses ya wan.
Moses na densu.
Na Moses ya wan.
Why na chair resi no ma we for ni from.
Why na
a boy so no ma mu che tu ma. Ya odi time na Pharaoh di omochi no ensu pai ya omo fam ko why na yes ade.
Pharaoh ne na dom na.
Exactly.
Di opai kokoko na. Send the marry mother.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord.
Dia na wugina ho awo yesa. Je wa de oboso. Ye ka wo bi abusuani nim na eye wo andisen. Only you Abigail and the family know you. Adam so ya wo dia. Eti ade ya wo dia no wo bi abeje.
Say nipa na o say mediano ono no enkwasa wa na old
tia no mani nya na nkwasa sam no na grap no onim grap nya na grap no so ni mukune
the shime crown is obeka che me say precious beka che me say Adam say aninti on taking me serious na I'm growing na oni needy no mo de me di agro they were just using me. That means say now what pass no using me to make Precious jealous.
Abigail me can't match o jiade no na ho na ye wo dia na okwo no wa da sa akoko Precious no what be munu ntiti nanim
say e wo school
jiri no nim wo school
dia ye wo school mo
ka jiri half say akoko ni nyina ya asake e be change we want me ni zongo ni akora en chekura woni zongo ni akora kwa chekura ya ka odini na fufu nyina be gina chi mo de mfia e ba bu to buga ka yi makaburara afi wo ba no ko ba ma na frauze blind ko bia ka what we teach you na wo hwe Precious na chene bu no so ni tipa ni tiso oba wo head e mani egenyen
timi de metimi abu no ba oni Adam sonson kasa so wo mienu na the Adam dem de beye no because don't me use me Benjamin si just like that
no na be person wo ma woni ye den wo ho no
me bi tia me de wani ato wo wona ya na me de mani ato no ye bibia me fi no
de Adams no fa ni wura ke What do you need that there movie? Cannot from Panos to say. Yaka Mumino, you be a better.
Be a me. It's still na.
Abigail, see the American. Chichina soon. Adams no cry, Shina soon. Ah, what should I soon again obey? Or bow sure small powers in a doom. Should I soon sort of that you so cannot to a da or da. Ah, Abigail, no one in your day. Precious no wine if you want, Giadiano, media, one for sooner 1 year, media, when I was any more. You never met me a big one to call baby, you know, and you never will acquire precious minute.
Ah, come on,
for office pin, someone, some shall precious return your family. I want to
say, by
you get to. How would you find one?
Me found one in Kokudo.
No,
me Kokuno.
No, day. And what do you want to say?
They mean to me, Kunuba, many Becumabono. Because meet my bono, but I say, no,
boy.
Me wait my woman.
That work to be a friend of China that you had a friend of one Nija of his spoon. Peggy wouldn't find one of Peggy.
You want to try my mark?
Simple. Ah, man, Cocobia markings you won't tell me Cocotan. Could try to talk of a piano poo. Ah, I don't know we use your one son. Ah, Abigail. Can't tell a woman push you.
So them one I was in Buno. Says I'm a bona.
I'm simple. They are cowing your wife.
Maybe they may see a school Monty Schoolmra.
And the school man, you know, person
says you may catch on to be behind my new.
Ah, they are
passing me version team. Adamson, me the one made the many now to
Cassifa, the Nadine, the Odia Coboni Trima, no collapse.
And then I do not be
not
in the fee.
I didn't know if you
are be a friend. I be going finding the agro.
And to be a friend of big and finding the agora. Say you wasting more Juma. Ah, except the Berman engineer. Yet, what about what on Tiano? What do he?
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, I drum Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
How school my to another about night? Who really did?
And they got been a major door, my sending a message on me blue ticks. Or anyone sending a beam out.
There's a blue tick in our banner there. What testing I won't reply on over here. Now won't reply over here.
And no.
Ah, it's a bit and Toronto on the material. And Toronto, yes, I be a yabacono. We are if you are traffic, you are a blue tick now. You can't say, I'm able to put one say their control.
And then of course, I heard you.
Aye, my J.
My guy.
I want to their control.
The white day, the
material. Nimia Banana, my J who's on your room, Mashona, Tokobia, my J and Nekonobra. I really the Casacheno, my J Casacheno. Ah, because I'm school be champion. Nobody know about champion on another say. Ah? Or what champion, Aroma and again, what is again up for Liam Aroma, the more thing. And I mean, names say my J, you say any damn. And my J bar, you was the Honda to Quapa, to Aroma. I'm a general, pata Sisia, and maybe I bought my catch them, or has a chair my J, no, come on, Tony. The boy fool, gig, no, on Aroma.
Mina, official bomber man, and I say we are dimly canna. A school head there, like, they many.
One hour young Conono on the material, 1 hour in to say. Oh, tis a BBC question I wouldn't know my country. Oh, and I mean, him said, I won't want to bet me 1 or 2 my boy in the bay. Okay, make one bet me man or 2 saying, eh, your name, my gun, my dear, and any Aroma in your bass, and me say, me found. Eh, my dear, in your bass, and Aroma, and I made it. Now, romance will be me up at school more watching one at a ah. Now, my dear, I am fine, I want to my phone me about warm. Obi a chu me be wo ayo amia nkasa de Adams de koso ni na
kasa na
ma pem kasa obi da te kasa
obi no obi asa obi ni nua ba asa me fa ho ben ye fa ho ben ana se obi nua ba ni Aroma twimp na wo so wo hwe wo se
na me bo ho ga wo
awo hwan
awo me bo Ema me ka jo format ni na kura mi o. De ekọ so nyina minim format. Minim agumanim say ese no. Bibia kura de wo ye nyina minim o. Ha? De wonam mu wo school mu nyina minim. O feel a bia kura mi. Say many information ni nyina o. La, because me bia ma. Ma he di. Me pese wa wo de bo so. Pese dako. Me te wa na wa wo de abewo so. No ma flow ni nyina. Say flow king stone. Me flow ni nyina wo say. Information. I'm very much show. I'm a confirmation, but I'm very much show.
Send me near to cast information.
Ayo,
information.
A prior better than cancan, and a bobo bank.
Then what information?
Maybe then I'm at it. Maybe then I'm at it.
Ken, we are Bema Ken.
Now, so we are Bema to Ken. Then I said, man, over 80 years. To be bien why you didn't. Now, hard dog. A real fake cake.
And I want to be.
The penny better the car check.
What to be?
We feel it. Me mati bibi. The sexual land be a woman some more blah. A woman not is a me. Not is a me. Lava who. I don't mean it. Ah. Obi a many FBI na ye adwuma okroma de. Many security personnel na ye adwuma okroma de. O person say. Me many change such light. Bi nim dia koso nyina blah. Nti se onu so de bibi siem dia na me hu. Sorry macho.
Kumenyehwe ana. Tama je ni nua ba ni Aroma asem ayo mu na asem nti nka owie na nkwa firo matena se no otu mu fude obi anu aka kire o wote asem na efa meme ho a na wo beka na mahu de me na asem enfa me ho medinim ana mbo medin o
ansa na abo
medinim enye me nua ba no enye me nua ba ma na obi a my je na me yonko so yonko ye na schoolmate ubetimi
na my je me yonko
my je nyo yonko
na nche my je me yonko na aba afa me chi ni my je abaye close ha uni ana me my je ti say oba na me dog game my je na me di wachi now what afa me mechi ni my je akwese amoka me honsem all because I'm a conconsa boy
wa ka so conconsa ni ma ayo ofe
na conconsa ni nipa
we as one person no conconsa ni nanti
o say
we as one person no conconsa ni
obia we as obia oti we as bia person no conconsa because de bi obia so ya na da wo pe bibeti so wo be no conconsa ni be na da den si da wo so ya pa wo news ana wo tie news ene conconsa ni na ana ne teno na wo de atwen
nsisan furu suban ni ya ka be yi ano ka be yi ano de nsisan furu suban
ansa na abo ze na nka na me de na aka artificial
ansa na mo so konkonsa ni ikun wo school mu a de ya na ya baneji okon ni wani nti ya ko free 1 month abra umpra wo school mu ada
o say
ya tena school mu a 1 month abra umpra ada
na kan be de ho se me konkonsa ni school
yeah me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pese me come any months meya oh lord I pray let I will fulfill
me message am scanner na me send man scanner way
oh but say the money I used to take care of Asantwen
stop it tell me the truth come on scanner na what scan I send you the money right you are aware
you send them
so what Asantwa check
oh but say you know like say I'm even sad right now because
you na me on come bo wasumpa what we ni pa boni ni pa wo say you didn't know who na say
you know
fuck off
so you make me say anything
fuck off why you doing like that your character no be good kra
oh say me
you should buy your kra
say when you left I missed you. Yeah, I thought as you are coming, you are even coming to play with me. Me found, oh, me say change. But say you are playing.
I send you the money. Send the money to Asantwa. You didn't send the money. Why are you doing like that?
Say so like that. See, when the money came, I also used it for myself a bit.
We are buapa what to pampula. Keragoni. Kerago. Ah, maybe this guy must send the man Asantwa. Was now the year what there.
My well-being, I'll eat, I'll buy clothes, I'll eat again.
Sure. Wrong. Why you say wrong? If you treat Shawama or Coco in a bed, obi the blade that's in front of the Mako, as I am that. Ah, no, Bruni, Babuni, we are Zampa. Ah, why you doing like that?
Say you, I'm sorry.
Now, everyone, I'm sorry. Ah, my son discuss our Jim Santua. I can't this cano.
Pepper child, remember.
Kakada!
How the Kawakuma to him? A Mrs.
Scan away.
Essie. She can't maybe see about Mrs.
I'm maybe some there, Essie. I'm a scan away.
Unfortunately, Mrs. Sicano. Only who be wasa. See Mrs. Like I kill you, the that question.
Ha! Sika, I must say, come on, Santuan, and then I'll a kaka to Usuna.
Who said they don't know them?
No, what about them?
Them, Uncle, they may past endeavors in the area, may one chain, let Bahana my being my although the Sikaka cab or the profit bread or man, on me that what they see. At us, in case of
me for pa. We me for pa. We me for pa. What is it? When Sika now would they go to Susu? Huh? Come to see him, student, who to Susu. What don't pick or trafficking? Ah, and now we have Zansa. What map will be a remy him?
As I said, we change to be present the Tonka, a minister.
But see how the maybe secret to Susu. I pay a check once or Jambu Akotoka. What we are saying now about you, what child and you know, and to me talker, I'll point on you. But to me, I'm going to see come on. They're going to go to Susu, Sunukobuani. What's the old junk crowd to Susu? I'm going to Batura, I'm going to Barao, the Keba Bambarao. Keba Bambarao. That's the name of the
Adam, you see, I'm the same who they know right now. What we are doing. Because I'm not getting things right.
Like, they are there. What are we doing? What do you want to know?
What are we?
We are we.
What are we? We are we. What do you mean by we are we? What are we? Yeah, they.
Then says our own country.
Oh, they enemy.
On social media, like.
It's a question. Just go straight to the point.
Like you are confusing me. I should go straight to your points. Like how?
Adams, I'm not here to play with you. I'm not playing with you.
And I'm also not joking.
You can see I'm really aggressive today. And to go straight to the point, you see, hey, they, or they enemy.
I'm so on social media, like we are in a relationship. Everyone even say my girlfriend, also boyfriend. And keep the same way out. What do you expect from me?
Fine, and I'm okay. Precious and say all day. Adams, talk. Precious and say all day.
She's also my girlfriend.
The boy one now they can say no one no be boss. You think I'm stupid? You see me Jimmy on Adams. You see me Jimmy. I'm not getting my husband so like you are too much for me. And I'm the call outside and in your type.
Listen, you know, say Precious came before you. Look at so Precious. So meaning Denti a mom now. We are second now. I say yeah. Meaning Denti a Tembi a fight.
Hey, I didn't know. What is your mama Motisa? When you came to meet me, look at me say only Precious a jayo.
So I'm not there.
You were no more with her.
Oh. I was just saying that me can no. So that I will get you.
Me.
No, not to fool you, just to get you.
Just to get me.
Say I'm very Precious. Were you going to accept me? Just be.
And you know what's all about be intro. Remember this is say no but be chantro ni ajiwa to will be akuma just like that. Say obi any other ho.
Understand?
Well, that was just by the way. See many Precious why now pay. Choose right now.
Yeah.
And what's our different girl do baby and
that be say like man.
It's why me now dating.
That's one more come abasro like why?
Many Precious why now pay. You heard me right?
No, I love both of you. Like I can't choose between the two of you.
Adams, you can't choose. Adams, you can't choose.
Like I love the two of you.
How can you not two at the same time?
It's my heart, so I know how.
It's not possible. It's fake love. Oh yeah, that was just by the way. Adams, if you know me, it's over.
Oh.
OVER. Over. It's over between us.
Man, listen, away from all this. Like I've done nothing wrong. And I know my bone say
I can't share my man. I can't share you. Period. I can't share you. Are you sharing me?
You just give me some time to think about it. Like I will explain it.
I've given you all the time in this world and you did nothing about it. It's right now, no, it's my time. It's over. Why? It's over. Adams, don't say I don't want to hear anything. It's
just
over.
Calm down.
It's over.
I don't know so yes, sir.
Hey Adams. What's it? Me say it's over. What does my make no?
Listen,
Okay.
I mean,
Enkasa.
just give me some time. Give me time. Anderson. Yeah, I mean, you're there. Anderson.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
People play. But I'm so proud of you. Huh? You like learning too much. You can't say. You young queen. A newcomer, your friends. What damn we newcomer no?
Every time you can't figure somebody's name out.
What is that? No man does who meet him.
Who?
Your friend, your new friend, the
That
newcomer
fair.
friend. Huh?
That call fair.
Why do you have two newcomers?
Opoku, just answer.
Your newcomer, the newcomer. How many newcomers do you have?
Are you talking about Amabreta?
Amabreta.
Why don't you always remember her name?
The
Why?
Name, no, the name is somewhere else. The name is heavy. I can't put it in my head like that. Amabreta. Okay. Why Aroma is doing him like that? Huh? Who bet you this is my J wofu? My J nene kasa my J aba host the horn my baby did nothing but still. Boy, listen. Me jano, what jano?
Now I watch my playing now. What? Some we see Russia no. Usubai na much more be do Canada na me say. What's that?
Now, what my party immigration? Who do Russia? What my chum about Canada?
Can you back plan me?
Wow, why are they? Why are they? Tell me. That is my school father. Hey, that is my school daughter.
School son.
Son here we are.
Okay.
This is my school daughter. Greet her for me. Hey, this is my bestie. Greet him for me.
Hello.
She's a P for precious. And this is Manuel.
M for Manuel.
Yes. This is M for Manuel. You are P for prayer. So thank you. Have you washed the clothes?
Yeah.
Last time we see me box and now me over for na asiante but we o de ba na asiante ade.
You know. Pardon.
Na box and you the power zone see.
Oh. Huh? Me say any blue na.
The box and for power zone see. Until na mana me hwa ase keka no.
Yeah.
And for power zone see me box and beam. Why? Okay, you can take your lead.
Na 3 million na that from 3 million boom one who no don answer now.
Not 3 million boom.
3 million boom.
And then me my G. Why? Okay.
I think it was because you didn't take this, you were lost. Look on it and then find your position and go to where you were trying to go.
Debbie, me can't get nothing.
You weren't coming here, no.
Who bet you? No one ameba. Could you believe say my J? Only boy na ba only Aroma ba be kun na ba still boy na yi the game nim to nya again no. I say boy is not here. Aroma no. San what here? Ojo do na me so nya again nim ma boy ne da. Obi odin ho di nua no.
Opoku.
Okay, only again in kasa. Ti unu adamfo no only again in kasa. Say what my J dudu. Na again nka wontwe ne ho free Aroma.
Opoku, I think you should just leave this issue. They have their issues. Let them deal with it. Why do you want to involve yourself? It's not everything that you have to involve yourself in. You know.
How?
How many injuries have you gotten since you came to the school?
Injuries, there are plenty injuries.
Do you want to get more?
Oh yeah, I'm a human being, so if I get injury, it is normal.
Opoku.
Na say adwuma ma fa to me ho de no injury na nam.
Opoku, just leave this. This will not get you anything. No. It will not fetch you anything in the school. Leave this issue. Let them solve their own issue. If Aroma wants to be with Bretta, let them be together. If Mike J doesn't want them to be together, let them solve their own issue.
Me don't want it. E kwa abefa so obehwe again because Aroma only capre. Get any business scarce obede kunye ska ama no. On the meeting. And no na ada na me adwendwen yo.
So
Wow.
I don't know.
Hey, you need to walk a chi.
I don't know.
As I said, almost sitting as
It baffles you.
It baffles me. It baffles me. Oh, it baffles me. I don't know. I don't know.
If Aroma doesn't have money or not, he has promised something. If he does it or not, do you care? Does it affect you? No, Opoku, does it affect you in any way?
It affects me now. Oh boy, no, now no help. Boy, no, yes, come on.
It doesn't affect you.
It affects me.
How?
Now
he's doing something that fetches him some money for him to take care of somebody's daughter. It is.
Oh no, Aroma, no, Capra, no, taking care of somebody's daughter.
Opoku, me, I'll tell you to end this. Don't keep on investigating this matter. Me, I'm a gossip. I like it when you give me big deals, okay? When you bring me deals, I like it.
When I give you gist,
that's my deal. Because when you bring me brand deals, I like it. But it's not something I want to follow. And I want you to stop.
You sick of me, follow for me.
I don't want to follow it.
Follow it.
Opoku, I won't follow.
You won't follow?
No, I won't follow.
So what is the new information in town? Right now.
You didn't bring the list that you do.
I'm forgetting. Oh, my school daughter. You are bringing me this. You didn't bring my paper.
Me, I also started writing somebody. It's in the dormitory. You can let us go so that I'll take it for you. Then you add it to yours.
You say also started today?
Oh, yes.
Greet me.
I started learning from you.
You see, my blood is thicker than water. And you know.
I have to go and pull it out because it's doing a lot to me.
Ade.
I'm doing things I don't want to do. When I'm working, then my ears be shaking. I see.
Yes. As a kotie. And your ears is shaking.
So when I'm walking and I hear some
kotie. Yeah.
Then I'll also be moving towards that side.
Look at mine. That was my son. Sure. Maybe the end me na me kotie and something a bit me.
But you, it's because your head is big, so the information can hold. Or I don't even know why you still write it. Because your head can contain all the information. You don't need to write Opoku. You don't need to write it. You can keep all the information in your head. My ear will also be bringing the information. I'll come and tell you, then you keep it. Memory. Hard disk. Oh, Opoku. So don't do that.
We are talking in a sweet way, but look at what you are
saying. My head is big. Oh, it's not big. It's not big. Don't you know it's big? It's bigger than this. See. It's actually bigger than it. I'm not lying.
You are a phone. Hey!
Opoku.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. Opoku, I'll see you later.
Hey! Precious, what did you do?
I didn't do anything.
What did you do right now to me?
I didn't do anything.
You do like this?
No, I didn't.
You did it?
I didn't.
You did it?
I didn't.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any monster Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray
I'm your uncle. Since school work of us in the Abaya, me and the big Germany. Miss Rao. On a better. No come home. No baby. Ah, no, we know Bako. I didn't first one in our Bako. Ah, no, you feel about Cosamana. You feel your young man, walk over. Huh?
If yes, I know Ban Suban.
Why Suban? Do you know character is not good? Do you know a person character is not good? If you see a character is not good, you know what see? Huh? Ah, what I'm scrapping? Wow, get to shame. Huh? Look at you. What about now? Bako? Mobile carbon. No more sharp run. No, Vivia, Coso, come on. That guy no swakuma. I don't know. I don't know what's happening on your day. Greta, Miss Snow, be truthful. And then enter. The Pia will be a banner, so you close to him. I'll be away close to him now. Now, Coco, no, not Beman also. That's it. Then said that will go, Sa. Now I come on. Now, Corana, Modena baby, as you know, what me a shakwano. I forgot to the way be a. Now come on, Miss Snow.
My me on Scanty no. Me need any problem be out. On cry scan crown from Ben Nech coming complaining.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know you say the wolf or doesn't scat meaning. You saw the drop hard, the open or doesn't scat. We are seeing Benina, it's on corner cover. Poor doesn't scat. Omo Macan, yes, can say or dog. Obecosia, Oba. Bawo dear. It's your so crazy. Don't again, I say.
One also need problem.
Ah, problem, man.
Or problem.
Problem, man.
I mean, how about it?
I was even Jimmy. I think it was some how we understand. Oh no, problem, man. But assuming now the one another problem. What the problem there?
Family now, one was young Jack, remember, if you're not signing my ring.
Sure, oh, yale wate. Now, can't in a way, you know. One and copper wine. One chain now, one in a way, you know. One and conquer for wine. You take the bon wine because you bring the bon wine. So you deserve bon wine. Huh? Tell Shuruman on the Jack, Cocotti, someone. Better, hanging on, man, funny, June, hanging on.
But then also forget, also, no argument says anything.
Ah, well, yeah, why are you not make proud?
Okay,
Hanging on. Also, Better, hanging on. Ah, hanging on.
Wow.
Hey, hanging on, boiling food, hanging on. Hanging on. You know, I'm trying to what is Montana? Hey, Mr. Montana. What do you mean, you walk on my internet? Ah, then Pano come in any way. Scanty, if you joke. What a day up for Mandela. What that's on your day?
Oh my.
Or see me and go. Move. So the hand say me a whole intention on my. Yeah. You could have patched out for about